Welcome to SKB Diary. The Valmet 941.1 harvester is like a powerhouse of precision in the forestry world, effortlessly taking on even the largest trees in its path. Picture this massive trees being felled with the kind of control that makes you wonder how something so powerful can be so smooth. Its harvester head and hydraulic system work together in perfect harmony, handling every challenge the forest throws at it. Built to conquer rough terrains, this machine offers remarkable stability and accuracy, transforming tough jobs into simple, efficient tasks. It's not just a harvester, it's a game changer for productivity in the woods. The Rodney H2D harvester is the perfect blend of raw power and precision, built to dominate even the toughest forestry challenges. Imagine gliding through dense woodlands, cutting down and processing trees with lightning speed and pinpoint accuracy. With its advanced control systems and rugged design, this harvester takes on the hardest tasks like it's second nature. Whether you're handling massive operations or navigating through rough, uneven terrain, the H2D is engineered to elevate your productivity, transforming demanding jobs into smooth, efficient workflows. The TigerCat 822D feller buncher is designed to take on tough trees and rough landscapes without breaking a sweat. Picture slicing through dense timber with ease, powered by its mighty hydraulic system and an ultra-efficient cutting head that doesn't miss a beat. Built for ultimate stability and control, the 822D stays rock solid even on steep slopes, turning long, grueling days into smooth, effortless work. Whether you're deep in thick forests or navigating rugged terrain, this machine gives you the strength and precision to finish the job fast and flawlessly. The John Deere 1170G harvester brings together power and versatility, making it a go-to machine for both small and large-scale forestry operations. Picture moving effortlessly through dense woods, while its advanced harvester head delivers smooth, precise cuts with ease. The ergonomic cabin and smart control systems keep you comfortable during long shifts, helping you stay productive without the strain. More than just a harvester, the 1170G is designed to help you work smarter, turning even the toughest tasks into a seamless, efficient performance. The Komatsu 951 harvester is a beast when it comes to large-scale forestry operations, designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Picture cruising through dense forests as its massive harvester head slices through timber effortlessly, powered by an advanced hydraulic system that ensures every cut is smooth and precise. With an ergonomic cabin, even the longest shifts feel comfortable, allowing you to stay focused and productive. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or tackling tough terrain, the Komatsu 951 maximizes your efficiency with minimal effort. This machine isn't just a tool, it's your trusted partner in conquering the forest. The TigerCat 870H harvester takes efficiency to a whole new level in heavy-duty forestry work. Imagine effortlessly gliding through dense forests as its powerful harvester head cuts timber with pinpoint precision. Its advanced hydraulic system and rugged design give you the ability to handle even the roughest terrain with ease. With the 870H, long days in the forest become faster, smoother, and far more productive, transforming hard labor into seamless performance. This machine doesn't just get the job done, it sets a new benchmark for power and control in forestry.